Ready. ASTC classes. Exercise 304. Start. The respondents had issued bills for rupees 50219 from 16/11/1982 to January 15, 1983, semicolon, for rupees 20873 for January 16, 1983 to March 15, 1983, semicolon, to November 15, 1982, full stop. When the appellant filed the suit, an objection was raised of the availability of the remedy under Section 7B of the Indian Telegraph Act 1985 within bracket for short code the Act uncode full stop. The civil court referred the matter to the arbitrator full stop. The arbitrator, after giving due consideration to the dispute, made the award. Exhibit P3 dated December 19, 1989, giving some rebate on one bill only and confirmed the rest of the demand full stop. When the appellant filed the writ petition, the High Court of Delhi in the impugned order affirmed the award of the arbitrator full stop para. Thus, this appeal by special leave against the order dated March 13, 1991, made in WP number 800/91 full stop para. The only question raised in this appeal is whether the arbitrator is enjoined to assign reasons in support of his award full stop. Section 7B of the Act read thus: para within bracket 1, except as otherwise expressly provided in this Act, if any dispute concerning any telegraph line, appliance or apparatus arises between the telegraph authority and the person for whose benefit the line, appliance or apparatus is or has been provided, the dispute shall be determined by arbitration and shall, for the purpose of such determination, be referred to an arbitrator appointed by the central government, either specially for the determination of that dispute or generally for the determination of disputes under this section full stop para. Within bracket 2, the award of the arbitrator appointed under subsection 1 shall be conclusive between the parties to the dispute and shall not be questioned in any court. Full stop uncode para. It is a statutory remedy provided under the Act, and therefore in a dispute as regards the amount claimed in the demand raised, the only remedy provided is by way of arbitration under Section 7B of the Act full stop, by operation of subsection within bracket 2 thereof. The award of the arbitrator made under subsection 1 shall be conclusive between the parties to the dispute and shall not be questioned in any court full stop. The statutory remedy under the Arbitration Act 1940 thus has been taken away full stop para. The question therefore is, whether it is incumbent upon the arbitrator to give reasons in support of the award full stop para. In Raipur Development Authority and others versus Messrs. Chokhamal Contractors and others within bracket 1989 to SCC 721, in paragraph 30 at page 753, this court had held that, having given our careful and anxious consideration to the contentions urged by the parties, we feel that law should be allowed to remain as it is until the competent legislature amends the law full stop. In the result, we hold that an award passed under the Arbitration Act is not liable to be remitted or set aside merely on the ground that no reasons have been given in its support except where the arbitration agreement or the deed of submission or an order made by the court, such as the one under Section 20 or Section 21 or Section 34 of the Act or the statute governing the arbitration, requires that the arbitrator or the umpire should give reasons for the award. Full stop. The award need not contain the reasons. Full stop. Unquote. Thank you.